Mom, can I go outside and play?
Of course, Tom. It's a beautiful day. Go and have fun with your friends.
Here you go.
Yay! Thanks, Mom.
We don't want you playing with us anymore. Go away!
But I just got here. Hi, everyone. Can I join you? Sure, come play with us. Wow, look at that shiny truck. Whoa! I want this. Wait! Mine! That's mine! Wait, that's mine! Just let me try it.
Ugh, Tom, you always ruin everything.
We don't want to play with you anymore!
Wait, I just wanted to play.
Why does this always happen? I didn't mean to break it.
Why does this always happen? I didn't mean to break it. This is stupid! Nobody likes me. I don't care anymore.
Why am I like this?
Hi, honey. I was thinking we could bake those cookies you like.
Really? I love those cookies.
I'm always angry. I ruin everything. I'm a bad kid, and no one loves me.
Oh, Tom, even when you're upset, even when things go wrong, I will always love you.
Even if I turned into a gray bear?
I'd still love you and cuddle you like a big, soft teddy bear.
What if I was a tiny bug?
Then I'd carry you gently in my hand and keep you safe. Then I'd still hug you tight and sing you to sleep every night.
But can love break? Can it fade?
I don't have all the answers. But one thing I know, my love for you is like the stars.
I love you, Mom. Love you, Con.
And I love you too, always.
Okay, I feel better now. Can I help clean up?
That would be wonderful. Tom, you should apologize to your friends.
Yeah. I think I need to make things right. I'm sorry about the toy. I didn't mean to break it. You can have my car if you want. Thanks, Tom. It's okay. Just be more careful. Want to play again? Yeah! Sure, let's do it. I'd love to. My mom says her love is like the stars, always shining, even if I can't see it.
That's kind of beautiful.
Yeah, she always loves me, no matter what.
You're lucky, Tom.
After that waft and I bam. I think I am.
You're lucky, Tom. I think I am.
It's getting late. Let's go home.
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
I'm home, Mom.
Did you say sorry?
Yes. And I had so much fun. We looked at stars and talked.
I'm proud of you, my star. Time for bed.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Mom.
Good night, my shining star.